Today our topic is animals as tools for testing of vaccines. So far we have confronted many diseases and the scientists have invented drugs and vaccines to cure them. Some are still under process. Now again we have encountered a treatmentless disease named coronavirus. The doctors and scientists have been incessantly working on the development of a vaccine for this virus. Now the question is, do they test the vaccine directly on the victims? Obviously no. They test the vaccine on the animals whose internal organ structure and functionality is similar to humans. Some of the animals on which they test the drugs and vaccines are monkeys. Vaccines for diseases like cancer, AIDS, Alzheimer's, diabetes, Parkinson's, mental illness are tested on monkeys. To get a solution, the vaccine will be injected into the monkey. If it could resist the vaccine and survives, then the vaccine is a success. But if the monkey falls ill, then it will be killed. Also, to know the quality and functionality of the vaccine, they test it on monkey. In 2017, approximately 74,498 monkeys in US, 3,000 monkeys in UK were tested. Even the coronavirus vaccine is also being tested on monkeys. Pigs. Pigs are highly used for testing of organ transplantation, injuries treatment, and plastic surgery. The structure and dimensions of organs of pigs are similar to that of humans, so they are used for the development of organ transplantation process. They are also used in toxicology and pharmacology researches. According to American reports, experiments on pigs has increased by 4% in 2018. Opossums. Opossums look like rats. The metabolism of opossums is similar to that of humans, so they are widely used for researches. At present, they are used in the research of egg inactivation project. Eggs chromosomes lead to cancer at times. To know the reasons and for the prevention of it, these creatures are used. They are also used for the research of dermatology diseases like skin cancer. Rabbits. Rabbits are very calm and ideal in size. They are used in the research of pain-related tests as they can express pain and irritation easily. Since 2017, the usage of rabbits in researches has increased by 11%. Rats. The gene and metabolism of rats are similar to humans. They are also small in size and easily adaptable to the new surroundings. 95% of lab animals are rats. Since the gene and metabolism of rats is similar to humans, rats are used in experiments to know how the vaccine works in humans. Horseshoe crab. These are not used in testing, but the blue-colored blood of horseshoe crab is used by pharmaceutical companies in their researches. The companies use the protein available in their blood to identify bacteria or any toxic chemical of bacteria in vaccine. This is also used in the testing of coronavirus vaccine. Snakes. We all know that poison of snake kills creatures, but it is also used in the vaccines for diseases like blood pressure, blood clotting, cancer pains, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. Oily fish. Omega-3 fatty acids available in the tissues of these fish are used in the medicines by pharma companies. These omega-3 fatty acids are useful for the brain development and for the cure of heart-related diseases. In the present scenario, many countries are competing to bring a vaccine for coronavirus into the market as soon as possible. Let us hope for an early outcome. Thank you.